Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be looking at a 2021 210 Cruiser. Let's go ahead and take a look at the outside and then jump on the in. So starting out from the fence in here, we have a sapphire gray fence panel color with the sport graphic in there. Now I'm typically not a sport graphic guy, but the way that this just inlays within this fence, it really pulls the whole thing together and actually really creates a nice aesthetic. Now back to the stern here, you'll notice we have a Mercury 150 horsepower motor with a 3-blade stainless steel prop, giving you the maximum performance that you need out of this motor. Now just looking at the amenities on the back of this boat, you'll notice we have these really sweet Fender holders off both the port and starboard side. This makes it really easy for you guys to store your fenders in a nice secure place and then pop it right into your quick release system and be ready to go. Then when you're done with that, put it right back in where it goes and we're good to go. Let's go ahead and jump on the inside and check out the layout. So this is one of the most popular layouts, being the Sun Lounger dual helm seat. Right now we have it configured for the most capacity. And when we want to kick back and relax, recline it one way and have the backing here, be very comfortable, or go one step further and have a completely lay down sun pad back here. Really, really awesome feature you spend a lot of your time at. Now talking on these dual helm seats, I want to show you how these new cruiser seats look with this vinyl inlay in the middle. Really brings up the quality of these seats, as it's a very tough material and very, very easy to deal with. Now, going over to our helm area, completely redesigned for 2021, giving a lot more leg room up here by your knees, and also just having a lot better equipment on board, such as these gauges that will show you your run time, your heading, and just a lot of really good information. Now, of course, on a boat, we gotta have music on board when you're out in the water. That's why we put a Fusion Bluetooth radio on here. Makes it really easy to connect your phone to, and plenty of quality sound throughout the boat. Now going up to our bow seats here, you can see they're very expansive. Even being on a 21-foot pontoon, I am still able to fully stretch my legs out and be very comfortable on this lounger seat when it is not at full capacity. Then of course, plenty of storage. Gotta have that on a pontoon. And one thing I want to show to you guys of how extra Harris goes into their build quality. These brackets on the seats here are all powder coated to ensure that no corrosion is going to get to them, and it's going to increase the longevity of this boat. Alright guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call.